Even though my feet are killing me with.
Hey guys, I decided to do a mini shopping haul for you. These are just some items that I bought at Publix this morning, and I thought I'd share it with you guys. Here I got these soda waters that my fiance likes to drink. So I bought 10 of these. They were 5 for $4. So we got them in the lime and the orange and also the cherry flavor. Then I got the Sea Boosts here. Now the Sea Boosts were 2 for $4. So I got 2 of those. And then I also got here the Mayfield orange cream bars, and these are just frozen yogurt bars, and those were 2 for $5. I also got some pineapple. This was $9.98. And then I also purchased these Starbucks double shot espresso drinks. They were 2 for $10. Along with some bananas. I love some bananas. The bananas, I believe, were, let's see here. The bananas here were $1.90. And then Aiden likes macaroni and cheese, so I got this Kraft macaroni and cheese, and this one here is a white bean pasta, and this one's made with cauliflower pasta. He's not much of a healthy eater. He doesn't like healthy food, so these are good ways for me to just sneak it in, especially when he doesn't notice. Those were $1.79 each. And then I've also got some Cheetos so he can snack on, and those I believe were $3.79 for the Cheetos. And then we got some Georgia peaches here, and those were $2.99. And then we also got this cauliflower gluten-free pizza in Tuscan Garden, and that was $7.99. That pizza is so good. If you have not already tried it, I suggest that you do. It tastes so fresh, and it's actually good for you versus all the other frozen pizzas that are in the frozen aisle at Publix. We also got some chicken meatballs for Aiden. These I've never tried before, but I've heard great things. They're BPA free, no artificial flavors and ingredients, and no antibiotics used. And it has 12 grams of protein. It's by Kid Fresh, and that was, Kid Fresh was $3.99. And then we got Aiden his Flintstone gummies. They're vitamins that he likes to take every morning, and these were $7. Also, we got some Cornish game hens, and these are actually going to be another night's of dinner. They are so delicious, and they are so juicy too. If you like rotisserie chicken or anything like that, these are super juicy, and it is so delicious. And these were $4.59 each. I also got some meat here. They are just sirloin tips, thin sliced, $5.97. I also got some Lunchables for Aiden to take to school with him for snacks. We usually do the ham and cheddar, and they were 3 for $7, along with this deli turkey meat that was $5.40. I'm also reading this receipt here, and I'm giving you the right prices. And this here, since it's summer and he's always asking for a slushie, I figured this would be a really good alternative. Super cheap. Also, I'm going to get a bunch of them in different flavors. This was $2.79 at Publix. I also got some roasted chicken flavored rice, and that I spent $1.19 for the rice, and I might do that with the Cornish hens. I also got here some mashed potatoes. I personally like to do the fresh potatoes and mash them, but Aiden's been asking for mashed potatoes a lot, and it's a lot of work, especially for one little guy. So I'm gonna go the shorter route and just do the pre-mixed potatoes and make that for him when he wants it. I also got some pork egg rolls and a Michelangelo 3 so it's like a simple, easy way to do a quick dinner, especially when it's just 2 people. And also the mashed potatoes and the egg rolls. The egg rolls were $3.79, and also the mashed potatoes were $1.89. I also got San Marzano tomatoes. This is what I make my red sauce with. So I might just do raviolis one night with this. I just had to get the sauce for it. And I make it homemade with these DOP tomatoes. Also got some extra crunchy Jif peanut butter. And the tomatoes, the canned tomato is a little pricey, but it's definitely worth it, especially for a really great quality taste. Those were $3.99. And also got these toasted cheese crackers, so Aiden can take to school with him. And those were $3.79. And that is basically it. And also I purchased a 32-pack of PUBLIX water, and that was $4.49. But it's still in my car. I need to go down and grab it actually. And that was it. That was just my mini haul. And for a total, I spent $145.06, and I saved $6.37. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Alright, see you guys later.